Okay guys, I'm back. I was saying, well, the camera was off, I was like, ooh, my phone's slow too. I was like, fuck, my phone caught empower disease. Okay, we are gonna put home premium on this bad boy. I accept. Next. And do custom. Delete. 80 giggers. Yes. Next. Now we wait. Like I said, I got that one to do, and then I got all these to do. I'm going to try to get that yellow and green one loaded up again. So, I need to get me a SATA dock. I got these two motherboards over here. They both got blown caps. This one's got one right here. Y'all can see it's kind of poked up, and then there's another one right here on this other one. There's two of them. It came out of them PCs down there, which I'm going to scrap. Unless if I can find a power brick cheap enough for them. So, what guys? I'll be back.